Alright, hey there viewers. So just a quick video. I got 2017 Honda CRV. Customer's complaint is the door lock actuator on the right rear. This one, let me turn on the light here. This one does not work. So I'm pushing the button here. Right? That one moves. That one does nothing. So this is going to be a quick diag, just so you know, just the people who are having this issue. It's just pretty simple. Get a wiring diagram. I find that it's always that right rear door that always has the power window issues, power door lock issues, and that's because the wires that they use in these doors are so thin. They're like 3 strands of copper in the wires. But what I'm going to do is, all you need is regular test light, incandescent, wiring diagram. The only colored wires I need to know is the blue and the yellow. So I'm going to remove that door panel, right, and then see which one of that wire I am not getting power, because there are door lock relays which will send power one way or the other. Whichever I'm not getting power on which wire, I'll know which one of these will be broken. And usually they break at the joint where the door is, and that's because these doors open so wide, just like the new CRV hybrids. They open so wide, but just because the wires are so small, and you know, 3 strands of copper in those wiring, they break really easily. So anyways, I get this door panel off. I'll even show you how to take the door panel off. They're pretty easy, one screw, and yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so we're at the back door here. I'm just showing you how wide these doors open. It's like literally 90 degrees, right? And when they go open like that, you see this joint here, it makes a weird turn right around here. And yeah, so to remove this door panel, you got to remove this switch assembly. So you just get yourself a pocket screwdriver and just put it there. It's not held in very tightly. That's they're always like that, don't worry. It's not loose or anything, but that's how they're usually like. So once this comes off, there's one screw right there. We're also going to have to remove this cover too. So let's unplug the switch. All right, let me just get these switches out and the screw out. All right, screws out. All you got to do is just find a good hand. I use my thumb and my fingers to pop it. And then you can just work yourself around and pop off those clips. So the top here, it's not hooked, but it's just clipped on, so you can just yank forward. If I can do it with one hand. So this thing will just come right out. It's just clipped that way. It's not hooked over the door. So I'm gonna remove this door panel first. Once you got the door panel, you gotta disconnect the speaker here. See if I can get you. See if I can unclip this clip with my fingers. There we go. And then this connector just pops right out. So door panel can just sit inside. And then what we're looking at is the colored wires here. So if you look at the wiring diagram, it's the blue and yellow wire. So all I need to know is get a test light. Find a good ground somewhere. Let's do the door right there. So I'm gonna go grab the keys. I'm also gonna switch this thing. Oh wait, no, this one has a button. The knob switch is in the button here. So I need to have something to push down on this while I push the lock and unlock button. And then I'm gonna just put my test light and see which one lights up and which one does not. So it's gonna be a yellow and a blue wire. The black wire is just the ground, and then the gray, I can't remember what that is. What is it? The gray is, oh, that's the lock knob in the switch. Oh no, that's the door switch that's up there. So I gotta push the door switch, and then the door lock knob switch is inside the, what do you call it? The actuator. So yeah, let me go grab the keys from the driver's seat first.
One screw.
No, but I can just get you to hold the button. So
One screw.
yeah, I don't want you to take one screw. You just what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What else you gotta do? What else you gotta do? Okay, yeah, okay. So you just gotta make sure you unplug it first, right? And then whichever doesn't light up is the one is broken. So if you have it plugged in, it's just going to go through the actuator and come out and feed power back out the other way of the other side of that connector. So make sure you disconnect it first, and then check it which one has the power and which one doesn't. So that one does not. This one, see, lights up. Nothing. Press the lock button, which I gotta push the door switch. Nothing. See? Unlocks, but doesn't lock. But the other doors, you can see the other doors over there. Unlock and then lock. But yeah, so our broken wire is gonna be the blue wire. Favorite place I like to start is the speaker, because that will give me more space to access the wiring harness right here. Oh, too close. Zoom out. I just want to remove that grommet, find the blue wire in that in this joint here, and see which one is broken. Oh, this speaker's stuck. Hold on. Man, let me see if I can get you guys in the shot. Maybe in here. There's a couple blue wires, and I think I found my broken wire already. There it is. Found it. So that's your broken blue wire. And like I said, on these wires, they're so skinny. There's like 3 strands of copper in there. I don't know if I can see that, but let me zoom in for you. So there you go. That is, how many strands is there? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands of copper in there. You know, when everything's going lightweight and trying to make things cheaper, this is what happens. Anyways, just like to show you that and where they usually break, and that's where it is. You usually just find which color wire it is, right? With the test light, and then so you know which wire to pull on here, and that's where it breaks. And the reason why I don't like to solder here, because you have to open that up to find the other end, and this is also a flex joint, so the solder eventually will break. It's just solder, you know, like when you solder it, the solder will crack, and then it splits, and then you're back to square one. So I don't know, up to all you guys if you want to repair it, but simple. You can just order a sub harness for this door and then just put it in. That's pretty much it. So that harness isn't even that expensive. It's $91.84, right? That's the price for what you sell it for, right? What's this?
That's insurance stuff, but
Insurance? Oh, okay. Okay. So it's this price.
yeah.
Yeah. So list and sale price, same thing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. And the fix, you can solder it, but you know, you can actually just order this sub harness right here, and it has the new grommet. And then all you have to do is remove this panel and unplug it from inside. So yeah. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.